Dear students, good morning. Today I am here to teach you activity 6 of subtraction. So beta, let's start. These are the word problems. As I have told you earlier also that in word problems you have to write the statements. The question will be either of 5 marks or 4 marks. But if you will not write the statements, you will not get the marks. Now see, first question of activity 6, which is on page number 60. My school library has 8735 books. Out of these, 2731 are in Hindi and the rest are in English. How many books are there in English? So beta, in subtraction sums, always total is given and we have to find the number of one thing. So like in this case, total books are given 8735 and number of one books like Hindi books are given 2731. So we have to find the English books. So whenever there is a question of one thing, we have to find the number of one thing, then we always do subtraction. And always remember that whenever there are words like left or more or greater or less, then we always perform subtraction. Like see, in this question total books are given and remember to write ones, tens, 100,000. Beta, these numbers should be in the same line. It should not be like 5 is here and 1 you will write here. No, the number should be in the same line, same position. Like 1 is on the first ones position, 5 is on the ones position, so they will come here only. Hindi books are given, then English books, how we will find out? By subtracting it. So at the end we have to write, these are the statements that we have to write in word problems. Now we have to write one ending statement. Now see this question, ABC Motors sells a total of 3882 Maruti and Hyundai cars, means there are total 3882 cars. If the number of Maruti cars sold is 1795, see, number of one cars is given and we have to find the number of Hyundai cars, means other. So we will do subtraction. See, first of all we will write the date, then chapter number 5, subtraction, name of the chapter, then activity 6 and page number we will mention. No need to write the full question in the notebook. First write the initial part of the question, then dash 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 to cover up the middle part of the question and write the ending part of the question. Now see, total cars are given, Maruti cars are given, we have to find the Hyundai cars. What you will do? Beta, see, numbers should be one after the other. They should not linger upon here and there. Like you cannot write the numbers like this. Like if you have written 3882, then you cannot write the numbers like this. No, the numbers will come one after the others. Now see, we have to write first ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now see, when we will subtract both, we will get 2087. So number of ending statement we have to write, number of Hyundai cars will be 2087. Then remember, in questions if we have word like left, more, greater, less, smaller, we always perform subtraction. Like see, this next question, question number 3. A bakery sells fruit buns. Out of 2500 buns baked, means total buns they have given, 972 buns have been sold. So how many buns are left? See, left word is there in the question, so obviously we have to do minus. Then we will write total buns, buns sold, then buns left. We will subtract it like this and at the ending we will write an ending statement as buns left is equal to 1528. These statements are very important to write. If you will not write, if the question is of 5 marks, 2 marks will be automatically deducted. So beta, this exercise you have to do in the notebook. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you all.